to award them the Medal of Bravery. Thank you guys for putting out the fire. What's that spell again? Oh yeah, Mumbo Jumbo. See you guys next time. Bye-bye. Check out these awesome drawings that some of my fans did for me. If you guys want to send me a drawing, send it to info@fuzzypuppet.com. Yay! And today's best comment goes to Nay Circus, who says, please, I subbed to your channel a long time ago, and please make a Roblox gaming video. Well, guess what? I just made one. Ha! Thanks for watching today, guys. Click one of these squares to see another video, and click over here to subscribe to my channel. Yay! Click a square, or click over here. You're still here, guys. Come on.